No, no, no. Come on, say it with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Morning guys, and welcome to another It's Too Dark Day in My Life vlog. I'm so happy to see that you guys are enjoying all of these daily vlogs. There's a lot more effort that goes into daily vlogs, so I'm glad that you guys are enjoying it and giving me so much love over it in the comments. Today's day and in the vlog is going to be really interesting because I'm finally getting to go and meet my nephew and niece. I'm going to meet the kids after I want to say 2 or 3 weeks. I've literally just not been leaving the house. You guys have been seeing my daily lives, and that's because we're just trying to maintain absolute social distancing. Apart from that, Jerry is not even there today. If you guys have seen yesterday's vlog, you know that Jerry is in Nasik for a shoot either today or today and tomorrow, so I might just not have him for the entire weekend. My mom's gonna watch this vlog and freak out that I haven't even made the bed while sitting to film. Sorry, Mom. So I thought of starting this vlog in a really different manner. I've been noticing a pattern of some questions that a lot of people are asking me, even though I've talked about it in my vlogs and I've replied to most of you in the comments. I feel like maybe a lot of the newer viewers are asking me this, so I should just get those questions out of the way. One of the most frequently asked questions I get is, what does your husband do? So my husband has been in advertising for 20 years. Jerry's been in advertising for 20 years, and he started working with me in October last year, in 2019. He basically handles a lot of my IPs. He handles things like makeovers with What When Where, and he also works on the toolbox, which is our service vertical, which is, I think we did a video about it dedicated to that, so I'm just going to link that video in over here. Another question that I get from a lot of you are, how do you know what to do on intermittent fasting? Yes, I have been practicing intermittent fasting since Jan 27th, 2020. I have gone a little bit off and on in the lockdown, but I still try to follow it most days. I've done a dedicated video on that, which again I'm going to link in for you guys. One of the things I've been talking about and showing you guys a lot in my vlogs has been my workout routine. Yes, I try to work out about 6 days a week. At the moment I'm doing this 45-day challenge, so it's Monday to Friday, and then over the weekend I work out on my own. I worked out today, I broke such a good sweat. On days when I'm working out on my own, I look up YouTube videos and just do Zumba, because the other days are relatively more intense. Keep in mind that different bodies have different needs for the kind of workout your body might need, so pay a little bit of attention to that. By the way, I worked out, I took a shower, and I'm literally just sitting in my robe. One of the questions again that someone asked me recently was, where's your white robe from? On Instagram stories, I think someone asked me that. I just bought this last month. It's from IKEA. I can go ahead and link it for you in the info box. I think I paid just a little over 2,000 rupees, including taxes and shipping and all of that. By the way, today's workout was so good. I sweat so much, and one of the things about a regular workout routine is that every once in a while you need a really good not even a shower, you need a really good scrub. And I saw Mridul post about the Mcaffeine body scrub that really intrigued me. I have it sitting right here. The exact name of the product is the Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. I gave this one a spin this morning because I feel like when you sweat sometimes just the soap is not enough, and in general you should try to exfoliate at least twice a week. You guys know I have really dry skin. I moisturize every night. I moisturize my life depends on it. So when I exfoliate, I'm a little extra particular about the product I'm using because I don't want to damage my skin, obviously. This one comes with pure Arabica coffee and coconut oil, which is basically the coffee and coconut combination that's really superb. The Arabica coffee essentially helps you make sure all the dead skin, all the impurities, all of it lying on your skin is kind of washed away, scrubbed away rather. And the coconut oil is a great thing to have in your skin because it will make sure that your skin doesn't get dehydrated. One of the things I want to give you guys is a little bit of a tip about using scrubs is that you don't want to use something that has an overwhelming fragrance. You want something that's really nice and mild but also does smell nice, and I feel like this one has done that for me. Even though I used this for the first time today, it is something that's going to find a permanent spot on my bathroom shelf. And what I definitely also want to call out about this product is that it is SLS free, cruelty free, paraben free, which makes it even more special. The Mcaffeine body scrub exfoliated my skin so beautifully. The texture was really nice and fine. I took a little bit of it on the spoon that comes with it and applied it on my hands as well as legs, and of course the rest of my body, and it just so smoothly went over my skin. So it exfoliated my skin really beautifully and the texture was really luxurious. Okay, I'm gonna go have nashta now. If you have any more of these like frequently asked questions that you'd like for me to answer, you know where to talk to me in the comments. It's time to go change, have nashta, get some work done. I might leave before or after lunch, let's figure that out, but I'm very excited to play with the kids.
I'll come back soon, okay? Mummy is going to Mummy's house. See you. Aww, sleepy.
कोरोना चला गया तो फिर आप मास्क क्यों पहने हो?
बिल्डिंग वाले बोलते हैं पहनने के लिए।
अच्छा, पर चला गया कोरोना। मोती भाई कुछ भी बोलते. Do you know your ABCD? Come on, say it with me. 1, 2, 3, start. A B C. Come here and say HIJKLMNOP. LMNOP Q ST UV.
I forgot how to.
We're saying our ABC, Papa. UVW. W. Then X, Y, Z. What are you putting?
Kit Kat. My shoe. I'll get to believe.
Copyright strike for it.
You think I'll get a copyright strike for it?
I'm not too sure.
Okay, which song is it?
I wanna sing to you. Sing. I just wanna rolly, tap line. I got some dessert to plants. I just want some ice on my wrist. I better would I dance? I mean, looking like they put you in the trash. I just wanna rolly, tap line. Just like that. I know till then. Let's play hide and seek.
Wanna play hide and seek?
Yeah, okay.
Why is she Nangu?
Oh, she's taking a bath.
You know you can't actually give her a bath, right? Yes, you can't give her a bath. What did you just tell me?
What to say?
What did you just tell me? Say that.
I don't know what to say.
Put your hands up and you said what?
What to say?
No, you said tickle me, so I'm tickling you.
Oh yeah.
Over here? Okay. Arey, but you're not getting tickled only.
My turn.
No. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
20. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications.